Students, how are you? This is N. Srinivas Reddy, JL Commerce, TSWRJC Arthunaga. Students, in this video I am going to discuss about the capital accounts of the partnership accounts. Already students, I told you there is in the partnership account they are preparing two types of the capital accounts, that is fixed capital account, second one is fluctuating capital account. Already I told the fluctuating capital accounts. In this video I am going to discuss about the fixed capital accounts. So here I will read the problem. Sita and Geeta are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3. Their capital account showed a balance of rupees 1 lakh and 1,50,000 respectively as on 1st April 2014. During the year, Sita and Geeta withdrawn rupees 5,000 and 7,000 respectively for personal use. Interest on capital to be provided at 8% per annum. Interest on drawings amounted to be 500 and 700 respectively to Sita and Geeta. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2015 before making above adjustments amounted to be rupees 75,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Partnership partners capital accounts under the fixed capital account. Students, this is the fourth problem in the textbook. If you have any doubt regarding the problem, you go through the problem, or there is no problem here, you read in the video also. Now I am going to do the problem. First of all, I will prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So here the profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation account. So it is the debit, it is the credit. Students, is the red ink. Now I will change the color. So it is the particulars, total rupees, particulars, total rupees. So here we can transfer the profit what in the textbook by net profit, that is 75,000. Next, by interest on drawings, that is Sita, Geeta. Here the Sita is 500, Geeta is 700. Total is 1200. Next is then the debit side to interest on capital. So here the Sita and Geeta, 8,000, 12,000, that is 20,000. So all these power. Next we are conclude into the debit and credit side. So here the credit side total is 76,200. So the difference between debit and credit side is 56,200. That amount will be distributed among the two partners, that is Sita capital account to Geeta capital account. So Sita share here is 22,480. Geeta share here is 33,720. Profit balance here is 56,200. Here we are distribute this 56,200 between Sita and Geeta is 2:3 ratio. It means 56,200 into 2/5 is equal to 22,480. Next 56,200 into 3/5 is equal to 33,720. 780. Next we are going to prepare the capital accounts of the partners. So here capital account, that is particulars Sita rupees, Geeta rupees, particulars Sita Geeta rupees. So here the by balance, by balance is Sita is 1 lakh, Geeta is 1,50,000. So we are totaling the both 1,50,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. One lakh 50,000. So is the balance. So here it is the fixed capital account. Here we are taking only the capitals of the partners. Remaining all the adjustments we will show on the current accounts of the partners. So we are separately show the all the details of the partners in the current account. Geeta, so here we are first of all we will write profit and loss of corporation account balance, profit and loss appropriation account balance is, so Sita is 22,480, Geeta is 33,720, and interest on capital by interest on capital here is 8,000, next is 12,000. Next we can debit the partners payable amount to the partnership account, that is drawings, that is 5,000, 700,000 of the Geeta. Next interest on drawings, Sita is 500, Geeta is 700. So total is over. Now we conclude it. We are balancing the both sides of the debit and credit. Here credit side balance is more, 30,480, 45,720. $30,480, 45,720. So difference here 24,980, 38,020. So it is the balance of the capital accounts of the partners. Here the balance is more in the credit side, less in the debit side. That's why it will be shown in the liability side of the partner. Students, I will meet you with the another video. Thank you.